Let's draw a pencil. This pencil shape can also be used for a pen just by changing the top of the point. It can also be used for a space shuttle, which we're going to do in another tutorial. But let's do a pencil to start. So all you need is a rectangle. Rectangle on one side, triangle on the other side. I'm going to go to my darker color, go back in and add details. So for the top, I'm going to round off the end of that triangle and make a curved spot and color that in, leaving a little space for a reflection so it looks shiny. Make the lines for the body of the pencil. Right here where the eraser meets the body, I'm going to curve it and make a couple curves for like the little metal part that's at the bottom of most pencils. I'm going to add my eraser, so I'm going to add that rectangle on the end. Now, for the part where the sharpened part meets the painted part of the pencil, I'm going to make some wavy lines like this. And then on those wavy lines, I'm going to draw a straight line going down the middle to make that angular look of the pencil. I'm going to make one down here too, so it looks like there's three sides of the pencil. If you want to, you could go in and add more details, like number 2, or maybe it's a number 6. You could write something on the pencil like a message, but basically that's the pencil.